Best Robot Mop and Vacuum. In this video, we'll talk about 3 of the most popular robot vacuum cleaner that has both vacuuming function and the mopping function, namely the Amarey, the Roborock and the Yugo. Also, in this video, we'll show you actual clips of each of these robot vacuums in action in people's homes. The very first one that made our list and is very popular is the Amarey A800 robot vacuum. This robot vacuum has a very powerful suction to dispose of any dust, dirt, debris, and even annoying pet hair in your home. It has excellent off-roading capabilities, which means that it can traverse different floor types without needing help. And with its anti-collision and anti-drop technology, this robot cleaner can effectively prevent any unnecessary crashes and drops. There are 4 cleaning modes: the automatic, spot, max vacuuming, and edge cleaning. You can also schedule this robot vacuum to wake up and start a cleaning job so that it can work even while you're out of the house. It is relatively compact at just 2.7 inches, so it's easy to put away and even cleans underneath most couches, tables and beds, so you don't have to rearrange your furniture. It's powered by a 26,000 mAh high capacity lithium-ion battery and works up to 100 minutes when fully charged. The Amarey A800 also returns to the charging dock automatically before it runs out of juice or after it finishes cleaning. To check out the full specs of this bestseller and check out its current price, you can go to bit.ly/Amarey. Here's a quick video of the A800 in action. The second robot vacuum that made our list is the Roborock S5. The S5 has a smart navigation system that maps your house, plans the routes, and schedules the cleaning. It can cross over things lower than 2 centimeters and even recharges itself. The sweeping system is designed to increase the wind utilization and draw all the dust into the dustbin with nothing left. There's a mopping function available too that prevents the hemming, leaving no water streak and water stain at rest. The Roborock S5 has an app that allows you to schedule, save maps, setting no-go zones and barricade, and do other things like spot cleaning, real-time monitor, and so on and so forth. This app is compatible with the Android, iOS, and even supports Alexa voice control. With its strong suction power and multi-mode system, you can even clean carpets, mop your house. The Roborock S5 has a very strong suction power and even a multi-mode system for you to choose to clean different types of surfaces. Its ultra-high battery capacity allows for 150 minutes of constant working and is great for big houses and multi-rooms, low-pile carpets, hard floors, and laminate floors. To check out the full specs of the Roborock S5 robot vacuum and check out its current price, you can go to bit.ly/S5Roborock. Here's a quick video of the Roborock S5 being used. The third and final one that made our list is the Yugo robot vacuum. It has 4 cleaning modes, namely the powerful, automatic, edge and random, making sure it covers every area of your home. With a powerful suction mechanism and sweeper brushes, the Yugo is able to sweep and mop individually or simultaneously depending on your needs. It has a large capacity dust box which accommodates more garbage so that you can clean up more areas easily. It automatically returns to the charging dock and recharges itself when running low on power and works up to 60 minutes, effectively covering up to 200 square meters. The frontal sensors will detect and scan the ground, preventing the bot from falling down the stairs, as well as detect walls to avoid bumping into them. To see the full specs of the Yugo robot vacuum and check out its current price, you can go to bit.ly/Yugo vacuum. Here's a quick video of this robot vacuum in action. Now all 3 of these robot mop and vacuums work really well to keep your house clean. Our favorite is the Amarey A800 robot vacuum. Considering its remote control function, its slim body that allows it to clean most hard to reach places, and the overall pricing, we feel that the Amarey A800 is the most value for money. Again, to see the full specs of this robot vacuum, you can go to bit.ly/Amarey. Alright, thank you for watching.